Hello class, welcome to week 5. So we are officially halfway finished this class. I will be working on grading your discussion board forums, your quiz, and your paper 2 at the beginning of this week. I hopefully will get the discussion board grades and the quiz done earlier in the week. However, just know that the papers, I get them done as soon as I'm able, but when I'm grading 34 papers, and I'm really trying to give you valid constructive feedback, it takes time and I need to take breaks because it's a lot to do. So I'll get to them to you as soon as I'm able and let you know how y'all did. So halfway done the class, what do we have in week 5? So remember to always review your announcements when you get into the shell so that you're able to stay up to date with anything I may have posted. Let's look in week 5. For week 5, we're going to be covering chapters 11 and 12. As always, the PowerPoint's included here if you want to reference that. And there's an optional video that you can utilize through the library as well. For what's great is the discussion board in the week 5 quiz. So the discussion board is down here, the prompt to talk about decisions about life, love, societal pressures, differentiation, the feminist perspective. So make sure that you post your initial response Thursday by midnight, and you're to respond to at least 2 peers in a substantive matter. Remember 1 through 6 is down here, Sunday by midnight. And then finally, your quiz for week 5 is due. So that's what we have on the docket for this week. The discussion board, initial post is due Thursday by midnight. You're to respond to at least 2 peers Sunday by midnight, and you have your quiz. Besides that, just keep plugging away. As always, as I've noted, if you need anything, if you're going through something, please reach out to me. I can't know what's going on in your life if I don't hear from you. And I am usually much more understanding if I know what's going on. So I try to help you the best of my ability, but I really need to hear from you. I think I mentioned it in another announcement, but if you're going on Gradebook and you notice that you have a 0 on something, it may have mean that I've tried to contact you, but I haven't heard from you. So it's important, if you feel like you've turned something in and you haven't heard from me, that you connect with me, because things do happen. All right. Let me know if you need me, and you know where to find me. Have a nice week.